Hello folks, Jay here. Actually, I'm right here. Anyways, this is my first video in a while. I didn't show the repair because I had a little bit of difficulty. Didn't have a whole lot of time. This is how bad that this shock was. This shock was completely destroyed. That spring, I didn't take that spring off. That spring was just like that. It's all the way pushed in. It lost all its hydraulic fluid. It's gone. Let me see if I can show you what I mean here. When you see this, it's hard to lift up, but then watch. If there's hydraulic fluid left in there, that won't just drop. It just drops like butter. Already got the new one installed. Basically, I can give you a rundown. You bust that bolt loose. They don't give you a new one, so be careful not to strip it out. I did a little bit. This one was so rusty that it just stayed in there. I didn't have to hold another wrench on it. And this one, I did. I just wrenched on that.
Excuse me. By any chance, do you have a cigarette?
No.
Okay.
Sorry for the interruption. And that's the bottom part. Top part is back there. Now the only thing you gotta get from the top is this 113 millimeter. That tightens down. The other two screw in from the bottom. They come out as 10 millimeter. The aftermarket ones they give you are 13. But I put 110 and 113 in, which I shouldn't have done, but it fit better. But that's just a short video from me, like I always close out with. Play with shit. Y'all have a good evening, or whenever you're watching this. Anyhow, I forgot to say, I actually messed up in the video. That was a strut assembly, not a shock. It was, the whole assembly. And when I stopped and I was acting kind of like, well, I was talking real slow, and all of a sudden you hear me say no. That was just some random lady asking me if I had a cigarette. Man, I hate that. Who hates that? Well, I do. So, please comment, please subscribe. Have a good one.